What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today, as always, we're about to do what we do every day, making money. We're about to do what we do every day. We're about to check on the markets, see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. We look at the prices in much more details, and we will check our portfolios, okay, to see exactly how the portfolio has been doing. If we are doing bad, good, regular. You can just follow along. Compare my portfolio with yours, and then you can learn one or two things from it. Okay, but before we do that, today we want to talk about something that is very, very important. A lot of I can tell you now, you see it, but you pretend like you don't see it. Okay, people are like that. You can tell them, hey, if you keep on walking in that direction, you are going to fall into a pit. They see the pit, but they still work towards it. They fall in it. Somebody pulls them out. They still do the same thing again. What do I mean by this? Okay. Right now, we all get into investing. I don't know what your habits are, how you invest, on how you do things, or what your goals are. The first thing supposed to be your goals. Okay, excuse me. The first thing supposed to be your goals. Your goals will determine your investing attitude. Okay, there is a saying out there that is I usually say it a lot. Everybody who hangs around me will know it when I tell you that we don't marry these coins, we trade them. Okay, that's why it's for me. Before I start investing in something, I do an extensive research. And based on the research that I get, I either go all in or I'm all out. I don't go halfway. Okay, so this is something that a lot of people, they see but still don't do. I'll give you a very clear example. Solana. Okay, Solana was the best thing after Ethereum because it was fast. But yet, you knew the faults of Solana. How Solana really sucks at everything. I will tell you that. It sucks at everything. Now, if you got into Solana at 20 bucks, the price went all the way, because I did invest in Solana. And I sold my Solana. I was all the way out of Solana at 100 and I think 160, 170. I was all the way out. And that's me. That's the way I pick my stuff. Like, okay, once it gets here, I'm out. If it goes higher, congratulations to those of you who are still in it. If it doesn't, oh well, at least I've met my target. Okay? Now, with all these faults and the new technology coming behind it, something like Casper coming behind Solana, even Tron showing you guys that Solana is a piece of shit. Some people, some people are still believing the opposite. They still think Solana is the best thing ever. Solana is gonna go to $5,000, and you sit there like, oh my God, what is wrong with people? I'll give you another example. XRP. I watched a video the other day. There's a guy telling me that XRP is going to be worth $10,000 for one. And I go, did you say this to yourself so many times that you see the truth, but still you refuse to believe the truth? You just make yourself believe your own words. What is the total supply of XRP? What's the total supply? Do you know what the market cap of XRP has to be for XRP to be one for $10,000? And yet there are people who in their right mind still believe this. There are people that still believe this. I just, it's very unbelievable to me. Very, very unbelievable. Now, not only that, okay, you get people that sit over there and tell you, you know what? When you look at Ethereum, oh, Ethereum is going to go with this ETF. Ethereum is going up there to be $30,000 for one Ethereum. And I go, wow, that is that is very funny. Because when you put one thing and another, there are things that are realistic. There are other things that are just, a pipe dream is not even a description I'm trying to use. There are things that don't make no kind of sense at all when you look at them. And that is one prime example. I keep telling guys, you know, look at Casper. Look at Quant. Now, compare the technologies. Oh, come on. Now, compare the technology. Compare the technology with Solana. Compare this technology with Ethereum. And then you tell me. A very vivid example I've been telling you guys about is on the amount of transaction getting processed on Tron. Why is Tron so popular compared to Ethereum and Solana? Why? Now, do you think when something that is better than Tron comes out, what do you think would happen to Solana? Solana is already lagging behind. Ethereum is already lagging behind, all behind Tron. What do you think will happen to Ethereum and Solana once smart contracts get launched on Casper? That is something all these YouTubers, everybody else is not showing you. It's right in front of your face, but it's up to you to really look at it. You can see all the signs. Another good one, people talking about, oh, the international money transfer is going to be on XRP. And I'm looking at you guys and I go, okay, look at the distribution of XRP. Okay, if you take that power, okay, like the Swift system, if you take the power of Swift system and hand it over to the Ripple or XRP, do you think it's going to be possible? With the governments that likes to control everything, if that power get given to XRP, because XRP holds, Ripple Labs holds almost half of the coins of XRP that the government doesn't hold. Look at the distribution again, like I'm saying, look at the distribution again of Quant. Go look at the wallets. And then you tell me. Now, I'm not talking about the market cap. I'm not talking about the price of XRP versus the price of Quant. Look at the price of Quant. Look at the market cap. If I tell you Quant is going to $10,000, for example, versus XRP is going to $10,000, which one do you think is true? Which one do you think is true? XRP probably had a chance before the release of Casper. Probably had a chance. Now they're giving you another little sugar on your tongue, talking about, oh, we're going to have a stable coin on XRP. Guys, it's right in front of you. It's right there. Even if you put a golden coin on XRP right now, is not going to outperform Casper. Any stable coin on Casper is not going to outperform it. It's not going to do it. It's not even going to compete with the shithole we call the shitcoin we call Solana. It's not going to even compete with it. It's not going to do it. Everything is in front of you. Now, do you see it, or are you refusing to see it? Now, if you refuse to see it, you are not going to make any money. Not in this run, not in the next one, not even the one after this one. Because I tell you this, look at XRP, okay? XRP has been in existence since when? What was the all-time high of XRP? If XRP was that good the way that they are selling it to you, how come XRP has never gone to at least $20? Why? It's something to think about. Think about it yourself. If XRP was the cross-border payments, the government are doing this, the government are doing blah, 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 everything they're telling you about, how come XRP crosses $1? The price comes crashing down. Think about it. Is it the government that is making the price come down? No. Go look at the online, on-chain transaction. Trace those wallets and then come back and talk to me. Then you realize one thing, one simple thing that is in front of you. XRP is not decentralized. And Ripple Labs holds you by the neck when it comes to the amount of XRP that they are holding. Okay? That is as simple as that. Go look at Solana. You think Solana is going to go to $10,000, $5,000. Look at how much the team is holding. You think if Solana should hit today, let's just say $700, go look at how much they're holding and imagine how much money they will be having on them. So therefore, those coins, they're only giving you what you want to see. They're giving you unicorns, telling you, oh, the rainbows with unicorns. That's what they're showing you. You see it yourself. You're looking at it, and you have better examples, better things that you can put your money and let them grow. Again, it's not financial advice, but compare yourself $10,000 in XRP today versus $10,000 in Quant. Where do you think you're going to make more money? But because Quant team, they are not over here beating the drum, telling you this and that, people are not talking about it. Guess what? A lot of people are going to go to XRP to chase the unicorn. XRP, you're going to make money, yes. But sooner or later, if you open up your eyes, you will realize that you will make money on Quant 10 times more money than in XRP. Because when you research Quant, and they are not just saying it, they've proven everything they are doing. It's proven, it's on paper, and it's even in real life. Enbridge is live. The overledge is live. You can see the CBDCs on Quant, they're live. Countries are doing it now. But those of them pushing XRP to your throat, what is the proof? Where is the proof? You don't see it. That's why it is very funny. It's very funny to me. And again, you look at that. You're talking about Solana is going to go here. Solana, excuse me. You're talking about Solana is going to do this, going to do that. Look at the other day. When we look at Casper, Casper had those smart contracts running for a few hours. Just a few hours. Did you see the transaction volume on Casper? Did you see what happened? And this is a coin that they didn't even trade a smart, a stable coin on it. They didn't put the DeFi on it. They didn't put no gaming. They didn't do anything. Only meme coins were running. Did you see what happened? Again, you see the truth in front of you and you refuse to see it. I'm telling you guys right now, you need to buy 10,000 Casper right now. A lot of people are not going to do this until Casper is above $1 or $2. Then you see them running to buy it. You need to really think, guys. It's not just about what somebody's telling you. It's always good for you to go and research. Go check if what they're saying is true or if it is not true. You need to look at that. Take that veil, take that bias out of your face. I mean, like, try to do things yourself. That way you will realize what they're talking about, if it is possible, if it is true, or maybe they are just selling a load of crap to you. That's what I mean by it. It is in front of you, but still refuse to see it because you have your mind set on something that is not even realistic, something that will not happen. Okay, but anyways, I'm rambling a lot right now. Let's go right now before my time runs out. Let's go check out the markets right quick to see how the market has been performing. Let's go look at my crypto bubbles right away. Crypto bubbles right here. As you can see, again, we're still going sideways for most of the coins. You have some meme coins that are beginning to move, but let's look at the coins that we are trading on this My Millionaire journey. First of all, we look at the king itself, Casper. Here we go with Casper. Wow. Again, this thing is taking off, bro. This thing is going off, just like we said. Look at that. For the past hour, Casper is up 0.5%, 1.7% up on the day, 6.7% up on the week, 5.3% up on the month, and 426% up on the year. Now let's look at Quant, QNT, Quant. Okay, as you can see right here, 0.4% down on the day, on the hour, 0.9% up on the day, 3.5% down on the week, 7.6% down on the month, and the yearly still staying the same, 34.4% down. Now let's go look at Jasmy, JAS. Okay, we're looking at Jasmy, and as you can see right now, Jasmy is 0.4% down on the hour, 2.6% down on the day. Now the numbers that matters the most: on the week we are up 4.5%, on the month we're up 3.1%, and on the year Jasmy is up 695%. So yeah, what that screams to me, again, like I usually say, you look at those numbers, when you compare them for the past 3-4 days or even a week, you will see that it looks like it's been going sideways. That's what the market has been doing. There was a little pump yesterday, like I told you guys. It seems like it was going down, bearish, but I told you guys, no, this thing was going to pick up, and that's exactly what happened. We have an FOMC meeting probably tomorrow or next, something like that. It's always good for the market to get into this meeting being bearish, because whatever they're going to say, which we're all speculating that they're going to say something positive, is going to start pumping Bitcoin and all the coins that follow it. Today, yesterday, Bitcoin pumped up to $70,000, and then it dropped it. The thing dropped all the way to 65, I think it was. As you can see, that is a lot of money. You need a lot of money to move that. And that is what I'm telling you guys about Ethereum. Ethereum being so decentralized, these people are about to Ethereum is dead, guys. This is the last run you're about to see Ethereum go high. After this run, I think they are starting to switch. I'm not surprised to see that those guys are going to start investing into Casper, because Ethereum, with this ETF, Ethereum is dead. It's gone. It is gone. Anyways, now let's go look at the prices in more details in my trading view right quick. Let's go to trading view. Let's look for Casper. Not much has changed since yesterday. It's this exactly as I told you guys this was going to happen yesterday. Okay, let me bring out my arrow. We are on the 4-hourly time frame. I told you guys we was going to break above the moving average. So we broke above. We try the resistance up there at almost excuse me, no, this is Jasmy, sorry, let me go. Anyways, like, it's the same thing. Let's just continue with Jasmy. We broke above the moving average. We tried that resistance at 3.2, 3.3, just like I told you guys. Now what is happening with Jasmy is getting rejected at that resistance, but the good thing about it is that Jasmy is getting supported, okay, on the ribbon. We're getting supported on the ribbon. Now what I'm expecting Jasmy to do is to come back up again, retry that, and this time hopefully if you look at the probabilities, I think Jasmy has more probability to break this resistance right now, turn it into support, and then go higher. The target move for this is up there around now 4 cents. okay, or there are 4 cents, and it's a little bit of resistance around 4.5 cents. That is what Jasmine is looking to do. So if you go to the 1 hour, let me go down to the 1 hour chart, you can see. So Jasmine is getting ready, okay, it's getting ready right now. If you see, the ribbon is curving down, but the moving average is still moving up. So I'm expecting this to go above the ribbon again, use it as support, and go try that resistance up there at 3.4. If there is any little downwards price movement, I don't think it will go past that 3 cents. I think this 3 cents, this moving average is going to move up there to 3 cents, and the price is going to bounce on it, and then we start going up again. That's what's happening. Like I said, there is a lot of bullish momentum, including that FMOC meeting coming up. So now let's go look at Casper right quick. See King Casper. I apologize that I had to do it second. King always has to be the first, but anyways, I was looking at something on the charts and I forgot to switch it back. So let's go to Casper right quick. Again, everything on Casper is happening just as I predicted, which is a very, very good feeling. Okay, it's a very good feeling. So if you look at Casper, let me go back here first. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. That would make more sense. Okay, look at Casper right quick. Casper broke out. Remember I told you guys we were gonna break above that moving ribbon. So yeah, as you can see, that's exactly what happened here. We broke out, we broke above that resistance, we went up as high as we could. Like again, I always tell you guys, Casper always does this. It always comes back to retest the previous resistance, turn it into support. So as you can see, we turn it into support. There was a big of resistance, a little bit of resistance, and the plan was going the way it's supposed to until the Bitcoin dumping happened again this morning. Again, that was a lot of money. Somebody must have had to dump a lot of money to be able to move Bitcoin from 70,000 to 63, 64,000. That was a lot of money. But regardless, as you can see, yes, we dumped again, came back above the resistance, now turning into support. As you can see, price has started to move again. Look at the ribbon, guys. Look at the ribbon. You see how the ribbon is curving upwards? This thing is about to go up. From what I can see, it looks like Casper is about to form a W pattern right here. That W pattern with a breakout at 19.4. So once we get above it, we are going to meet the target of this bull flag that was already breaking out. So yeah, you could probably take this line. Let me do it again. You can probably take this line and put it right there. Yeah, you can either do it that way, still the same, and take the breakout point to be now here. As you can see, this thing is breaking out right now, and we are going to have the measurement target. Let me take this a little bit higher, like on the daily, to be able to be seen. The measurement target for this is going to be all the way above over there at let me see here. Yeah, at 20 cents, 20 and a half cents. That's what we're looking at. So Casper is moving in the trajectory still. So this little dump that happened this morning, it was just a little bit unfortunate, but as you can see, the price has already bounced right back up. So let's go look at Quant right quick. QNT. There's another one, QNT on the Binance chain. There, and I'm gonna go right quick on the 4 hourly to start with, on the 1 hour. So as you can see, Casper is Quant is doing the same thing. Everything looks like Casper to me. I'm a Casper maxi, bro. Quant is doing the same thing. We have this support versus resistance. Okay, we are still fighting this support and resistance at $71, $72. That's what Quant is fighting. But again, as you can see, it looks like Quant is forming a W. That was the first leg. Tried the moving average, got rejected. Now we're probably trying the second leg and try again to try to break it at 72, 73. Once we break it, you guys already know there is another resistance at $80. On Quant, like I said, this month there is a lot coming for Quant. These upcoming months, between now and 2 months down the line, there is a lot coming for Quant. And I tell you guys, you don't want to miss this. If you look, again, you can see it that we form an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, you can see that inverse head and shoulders, which are right now we're still forming the second shoulder, and we need to break that resistance up here at $80. Once we break that resistance at $80, the target is up all the way up there at $94, $95. And that once we hit that, guys, once we hit that, it is going to be very easy for Quant to go and retry that ultimate resistance. We have an ultimate resistance at 104. That 104, you see how we had a lot of trading activities right there, 104, 105, all that. We need to break that resistance. So all this is just temporary. Once we get above that 104, then we'll be looking to take that first Fibonacci retracement line, which is right here at 124, 125. So yeah, I don't see anything bad right now on the quant chart. Everything here is screaming bullish, guys. We have a lot coming for Quant in the next 3 months, and you're about to see it. Just like I'm telling you guys about Casper. There's a lot coming on for Casper, and guys, it's about to be crazy. Excuse me. It's about to go crazy, okay? So now, that being said, like I always say, you can 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money with the links below, which are Bydfi and Bydfi and the Phemex. I'm also drop a video on how to use Bydfi. I'm trying to do that today or tomorrow. But anyways, only if you know what you're doing. I do not control leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. But anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick to see how good we are doing on my long-term positions. My long-term positions, which are on Bydfi right here. Let's open that up right quick, and as you can see, claim your bonuses. You see that I told you they give you free money, just sign up. So right now, my overall, as I told you guys, we are still ranging like sideways. My overall still at 27,500. That's what we're still at. And if we look at my contracts, okay, Quant is at a discount right now, $71 Quant. Look at the contracts, okay? Contracts, you can see my Jasmine, I am still up 88%, which is 2,800. My Quant, I am still up 22%, which is around $1,000. And now when you look at my King, the King Casper, which is the one outperforming all my positions right now, my Casper, I am up 90%, which is 7,400. I told you guys this move was coming, and if you had got in there when I was talking about it a couple of days ago, congratulations. Now let's go look at my short-term trades right quick, which are on Phemex. My Phemex trades, you can see right there. As you can see, my overall is also starting to creep up slowly. Today my overall is up 11,800, almost $12,000. And then when you look at my contracts, you can see right now, look at my contracts. Like I said, YouTubers need to be very, very transparent, and that is what I do in my channels. I'm always transparent with you guys. As you can see, my Jasmine contract, I'm up 214%, which is almost $4,000. My Casper, I'm up 32%. If you remember, I was down like what, 17%. Now I'm up 32%, which is $1,400 right there. Again, all this, excuse me, all this you need to take account. You need to take account of the resistances and the support. Like for Jasmine, we know 5 cents, guys. 5 cents is a good area to take profit. For me, I will reevaluate to see if I want to take profits or not. Then you have that 9/10 cents. Okay, after that you have 12 cents. 12 cents is a little bit of resistance there. And after that, you have the ultimate resistance, which is 20 cents. Guys, 20 cents, I am going to take a lot of profit on my short-term trades on Jasmine. Okay, now Casper, that is a different story. Casper, we're going to look at 25 cents. But very soon, once we hit to that 25 cents, it's going to go into price discovery. Now, with the smart contracts coming in and the gram pound gram exchanges, like I always tell you guys, we're about to see this thing go up there 30 cents, 35. Man, I'm not even ruling to see Casper at $1 in the upcoming 2 to 3 months. I'm not even ruling that out. So yeah, you better get ready for it. Don't wait, guys. Get into your trades, scale them up, okay? That way your liquidation drops. Get into that. So guys, that being said, that was all I have for you guys today. Read the signs in front of you. Don't pretend they are not there. Read the signs. All this information you get from me, from everybody else, analyze, research, and see which of them is true and which of them is possible. That way, if you keep that attitude of trying to find the truth instead of just be bullish for no reason, guys, you are going to make a lot of money in this crypto. You are going to make a lot. But if you follow like a sheep, you will always end up holding the hot potato. That's what's gonna happen. Okay, so excuse me. So please, guys, please do your own research before you believe anything. That being said, thank you for checking out my videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.